Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Snowflake Copy Into Loading Best Practices, Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Snowflake documentation page. In the search bar, type Copy Into. Select the relevant documentation link to access detailed information. Familiarize yourself with the purpose of the Copy Into command. Understand that it is used to load data into Snowflake tables efficiently. Next, explore best practices for using the Copy Into command. Begin with data formatting and ensure your files are in supported formats like CSV or JSON. Verify that your data files are accessible through external stages or Snowflake stages. Evaluate the size of your data files and consider breaking them into smaller chunks for optimal performance. Review the use of file compression to reduce transfer time. Examine the copy options available, like on_error and file_format. Set the on_error option to handle errors gracefully during loading. Select or create an appropriate file_format for your data type. Now, create your Copy Into command using the correct syntax. Confirm the target table is defined correctly and matches the data schema. Test your Copy Into command with a small data sample. Monitor the load process for any potential issues. After successful execution, validate the loaded data in the target table. Regularly review and update your best practices as Snowflake evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.